Hi everyone, welcome to COC channel. Today we're going to crochet this adorable pink bag. For the starting method on the left side, begin by making a slip knot. Crochet 26 chain stitches. After completing 26 chains, go back to the fourth chain from the hook. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 from the left side. Insert the hook into the side stitch and crochet 1 double crochet, yarn over. Return to the fourth chain from the hook. Pull the yarn through from the back. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through the first 2 loops, then pull through the last 2. This is how to make a double crochet stitch. Next, continue the same pattern for the following 11 sets. Chain 1 in between. Skip 1 chain. Then in the next chain, make 1 double crochet. That's the first set. For the second set, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, then make a double crochet in the next stitch. Third set, after finishing the first row, it should look like this. Count 1 to 11, plus the first double crochet at the beginning. In total, there are 12 double crochets. Rows 2 to 5 are made the same way. For row 2, start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. Make a double crochet in the first double crochet stitch. Then chain 1, and in each double crochet space, make a double crochet. Continue until the end. In the last stitch, insert your hook into the chain space and make a double crochet. After row 2, count again 1 to 11 plus the starting 4 chains, which counts as 1 double crochet, making 12 in total. Confirm this before continuing. Then proceed with the next rows. For row 3, make 4 chains. Turn, then make double crochets. Follow this method for rows 3, 4, and 5. For the last double crochet in row 3, insert your hook into the top of the starting 4 chains. After finishing 5 rows for the base, it should look like this. Now begin the first round of the back body, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we already crocheted into the last stitch of the base, the first double crochet of the body will be inserted here. Make a double crochet, then place a stitch marker in the first space. Continue crocheting along. At the second corner, since that stitch was already worked, the double crochet will be made here. When making the base, pay attention to the 4 corners. The rest is the same as the previous round. At the third corner, since that stitch was already worked, insert the hook here. Then continue from here. At the last corner, insert the hook here. Then continue from here. Slip stitch into the chain stitch position. Like this. That completes the first round of the back body. Start round 2 of the body with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. This round we'll use the reinforced double crochet stitches. Normally, for a double crochet, you insert under the top 2 loops. For a reinforced double crochet, also pick up this shorter back loop here, this small extra strand at the back. Insert under all 3 loops, the top 2 and this back strand. This makes the double crochet firmer and stronger. Place a stitch marker in the first chain stitch of the round. The rest is simple. Just keep repeating this reinforced double crochet. At the end of round 2, after the last double crochet, chain 1. Remove the stitch marker and find the right chain stitch to insert the hook. Slip stitch to join. That completes round 2. Now start round 3. Again, chain 4, using the same method. Work the whole round in reinforced double crochet. Follow the same pattern as round 2 and continue until you reach the desired number of rounds for the body. For mine, I made 8 rounds in total. This is round 1, then 2, 3. After finishing, cut the yarn. Switch to brown yarn for the next part. Insert directly into this opening. Start with the slip knot. Keep both yarn ends at the back so you can crochet over them to hide them. Crochet 1 single crochet. In this position, single crochet. Insert the hook into the opening from above. Pull the yarn through. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's a single crochet. Continue making single crochets all around. At the end, slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain up and repeat the same method for another round. As you crochet, keep the yarn tails on the hook so they are hidden in the stitches. Round 11, starting chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then make 15 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Skip 13 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 13. The next stitch will be here. So there are 13 skipped stitches in between. Insert and start crocheting. Skip 13 stitches again. Continue with the pattern as before. Round 12, starting chain, make single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 10 single crochets, then start the half double crochets for the handle. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over from the back, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Continue. Then continue with single crochets. Then in this opening, make 18 half double crochets. Round 12 is complete. For round 13, slip stitch all around. Repeat until the end. Then pull the yarn long, cut it, and weave in the ends. Use a hot glue stick to apply a small amount of glue to secure the yarn end onto the back body. This makes it more secure. For the fabric label, also apply glue to both sides and press it onto the back body.